So there's a new trend, just in case you didn't know. I wanted to show you the FPV balls or drone balls, and those here, you can attach to them to use it as a counterweight, and it's gonna help a lot with the physics of your drone, and you're gonna do amazing stunts with it. It's the very first time that I try it, but I heard that it helps a lot, and in America many cars are using it in the back, so I thought to myself, why not for the drone? So this is the first time I do it, and they will glow also in the night, but in the night I don't want to fly it because I won't see anything. But let's see what happens. honest that the drone balls are really amazing. Did you see my flight? You know, it was quite well counterweighted and stabilized. And I hope someone will love to make some study of the physics of the drone balls and explain me why it's so good to fly with them. I recommend it to you.